Please note that there are multiple ways to perform data analysis in Python. This video demonstrates just one method of doing probability analysis. We will use the same examples as in the video on calculating probability so that you can easily follow along. Go to the Anaconda portal and launch Jupyter Notebook. Go to File, click at New and then Notebook. If first you want to add a text, switch code to Markdown and then start to type your text. Once you are done, run the Markdown by click at the Run button or use Shift plus Enter on your keyboard. If you need to insert a cell below, click at the icon plus or press B on your keyboard. Now we are going to start coding. First, we are creating two variables, brown equals 5 and gray equals 3. Note that the extra space does not affect the results in Python. If I call each variable by typing their names and pressing Run, Python will display the results stored in each variable. A variable can be created from the combination of other variables. In this case, balls equals brown plus gray. The calculation of the probability is stored at the variable prob_brown equals brown divided by balls. The result 0.625 is the probability of getting a brown ball. Imagine you want to view the results in percentage format. We know that we simply need to multiply by 100. If you use the percentage symbol, Python will give you an error because it is a reserve symbol. To address this issue, replace the symbol with a word. Now the result 62.5 is in percentage format, representing the probability. Notice that we just used simple arithmetic calculations and no package was needed. Here is the probability video if you need to review the concept. Utilize what you've learned in Python and attempt the other exercises from this video.